Say hi! We are Notripophobics and we are in...
Hello everyone, I'm back to our YouTube channel. We are not going to Canada, but now going to Canada. We are the Notripophobics. Today we are headed to Toronto, Canada.
Weather seems to be a little dicey today. There were a lot of snow predictions, so we could not decide whether to go or to not go. However, right now, so far, the drive has been good and the weather is clear. So let's hope we can make it without any snow.
In 2 miles, use the right 2 lanes to take the I-190 north exit toward Niagara Falls.
We are now approaching the US-Canada border. We just zipped through. There were not many cars. The border officer was really nice. After a few minutes, we started to see some icy rain, which kept getting worse and worse. Well, the last stretch of the journey was very stressful. It was dangerous and scary driving in that snow. Really thankful and grateful that we could finally make it. Good morning, everyone. We really needed a good night's sleep after that stressful drive. But then in the morning, we woke up to this beautiful view. Check it out. Our host in Toronto made it all worth it. We came to Yonge and Eglinton Center to grab some breakfast. Let's see what's in store.
Oh my god.
Chill.
Yeah, because I feel
30 minutes of waiting for Lady Marmalade. What are you eating, Naran?
Ice.
Oh, it's not warm boba? You're eating iced boba? It's cold weather? Hello? Hello. Are you waiting for the restaurant? Are you hungry?
Yeah!
You're in front of which restaurant? Oh, Lady Marmalade.
Lady Marmalade.
Wow, that ooey gooey egg is simply delicious. That's our bread pudding. She's happy she got her food after waiting for almost an hour. Everyone is happy now. Now we are headed to the Niagara Falls, and here we are crossing the Rogers Center and CN Tower. We got really lucky with the parking. Usually in Niagara, it's always $35 no matter how long you stay. We were only here for an hour and we got the $15 an hour parking, which is a great deal, I think. So it was right in front of the park. So if you're visiting off season, you can use that.
Oh no!
We are in front of Niagara. Look at the majestic waterfall. And then these are our people. They have gone married.
Welcome!
Welcome! We are in Niagara Falls. Look, Skylon Tower behind us. The Skyway.
Let's go to the top.
The bridge that you see, that's the Rainbow Bridge. So that's the bridge to United States of America. And this part where we are today is Canada. And the view is spectacular. You see Niagara in all its might. I have seen Niagara many times, but I have never seen the frozen Niagara. It's the first time. It's once in a lifetime experience. Chocolate chip cookies.
You got hot chocolate for us? Yeah.
Your cheeks have become red. Did you like Niagara? Your cheeks have become red too. Did you like Niagara?
Yeah.
Was it warm or hot? Cold?
Cold.
How cold?
Like death cold.
So cold, my face burning.
Yeah, and then
We came inside for a little bit. This is the Table Rock Market Cafe. It has a cafe and a gift shop. We were really freezing cold outside, so we came here for a quick coffee and some treats. The shop is really nice. You get lots of stuff in here like souvenirs and other Niagara t-shirts, jackets, coffee mugs, etc. They also have a restaurant here which sells coffee, pasta, pizza, sushi. Also, this is the place from where you can get tickets to the journey behind the falls. Right now it's closed, so there's no one here, but it's a nice place to come and chill out for a little bit because it was anyway freezing outside. Did you have fun at the frozen Niagara?
yeah.
Was it cold? What are you having now?
Cookie and hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate?
Yeah.
Is it making you warm?
Yeah.
What about you guys?
Yeah,
How was
oh
it?
yeah.
Good, you like it? And what are you having? You're having a chocolate chip cookie. You're having what is it?
Maple
Pecan
pecan
Danish. Nice. This is a nice place. I don't think we've been here before. Yeah, so if you have to take a boat ride, now it's closed. And then you basically sign in here and go from here. Hi, we are Notripophobics and today we are at
Niagara Falls.
in Canada and it's freezing cold.
I see that around here. See that?
Momo, what are you doing?
I'm just gonna play on my iPad real quick, guys.
No, it's not iPad, it's iPad.
my brand new iPad.
iPad.
iPad, yeah, iPad.
Are the Notripophobics, and we are in Niagara Falls, Canada.
And it's freezing cold. That was the end of our weekend trip to Toronto and Niagara Falls. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Notripophobics.